Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Pittsburgh Bottom Feeders. We finally got the boat out, and hopefully my battery doesn't die on me before we get a fish on here. So we're gonna just keep it off until we get to our spot, and hopefully we get a fish. Right?
That's right, buddy. Here we go.
The boat's first bass. Alright, we're at our spot here. Alright guys, we're out on the boat again after it stopped raining. Current's a little strong. That's after all the rain we got. But hey, hopefully we'll get some fish on here.
Seen earlier today it was pouring down rain, now it's blue skies and nice
As you
evening.
will see at the beginning of this video, you'll see how bad it was. It was pouring. I did get one good hit within what, 5 minutes of that spot.
Yeah, at least 5 minutes.
So hopefully we'll be getting some fish on here.
Get our night lights ready.
Yep, my light's on the tripod, ready to roll. So we'll be back, hopefully with some action here.
Okay,
all right, guys.
Well, Matt, where'd you put the...
We got a fish.
There we go.
All right, fish on, boys. Nice little channel. Right? See what you got?
What's over? This is being complicated. You're not turn that one on. This one's saying no SD card.
Fish in the net, boys. All right, nice little channel cat. Felt a little stronger than it. Felt a little heavier than it was.
Yeah, it's the current.
It was the current that we're fighting here. So, go.
Nice, guys.
Nice little channel cat.
Demon dragons, as usual.
Okay, not too bad. Nice little 2-pounder. On Mighty River. Kiss that boy. Yum. Yum yum. Got the skunk off the boat. Right?
Sure.
Boom. Alright guys, we finally got one on there. It's awesome.
We lit this boat up at the TV studio.
Alright guys, we had a great time out on the boat, giving her first bath of the season. And we got the skunk off the boat with Catfish Bill's first channel catfish on the boat, using the Demon Dragons as always, and using cut bait. So hopefully there's going to be a lot more fish to come with the boat. And our newest member of all to the channels, Christian, he's going to be our cameraman for both channels, Pittsburgh Bottom Feeders and Catfish Bill 66. He's going to be the cameraman, so he's going to be taking the pictures. He's going to be holding the cameras for us so that we have better camera angles for you guys. And there's Catfish Bill, my buddy, getting the boat all ready to go home. Got the skunk off the boat, baby. Right? It's always good that you got the skunk off the boat. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and cut it off here. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Pittsburgh Bottom Feeders. As always, happy fishing and tight lines. See you next week, guys.